Hello everyone, this is Teacher Stevens, and today we are going to talk about the 6 corrective feedbacks and how to use them. The 6 corrective feedbacks are as follows: the explicit correction, recast, clarification request, meta-linguistic feedback, elicitation, and repetition. Let us start with the first one, which is the explicit correction. The teacher clearly indicates that the student's utterance was incorrect and provide the correct form. It is usually when the student doesn't know the rule or the answer. Also, if you are running out of time. For example, there is a slice of pie in box. We don't say in box, we say in the box. Can you please repeat that for me? Now, let us go to recast. The teacher supplies the correct form without interrupting the flow of speech. This is used when you are focused on the flow or the content and not the rules. Also, if the error is unintentional. For example, I go to park yesterday. Oh, you went to the park yesterday. Let us now go to clarification request. The teacher indicates that the message has not been understood or that a reformulation is needed. This is done when everything is unclear. Also, if you want your students to know their errors. For example, I see a Harry Potter movie. Excuse me, what's that? I saw the Harry Potter movie. I don't understand. Can you please repeat that? Oh, I saw the Harry Potter movie. Okay. Let us now go to meta-linguistic feedback. The teacher poses a yes or no question and provides choices or give comments. This is usually used if you want your students to remember the rules. For example, I go to the park yesterday. Do we say I go to the park or I went to the park? Now, let us now go to elicitation. The teacher gives clues, pauses to allow the students to complete the utterance or ask the students to reformulate the utterance. This is usually used when you want the students to remember a particular expression. For example, what animal is this? Rawr, rawr. It is a tiger. Correct. Say it again. A tiger. Very good. Great job. Now, the last one is the repetition. The teacher repeats the student's error and adjusts interaction to draw attention to it. This is usually used when you want to draw attention to the rules and also if you want your students to make self-corrections. For example, he walk. He walk. He walk. He walk. Oh, he walks. Correct. He walks. So those are the 6 corrective feedbacks for ESL. Follow for more. See you. Bye-bye.